Welcome back everyone. In today's quick tip, I'm going to show you how to turn off location service on your iPhone. This is great if you want to protect your privacy or just don't need certain apps to track you. First, let's open up the settings app. Once you are in, scroll down a bit and tap privacy and security. At the top of the next screen, tap location services. Now you'll see all the apps that use your location. To turn it off for everything, just toggle the switch at the top of the screen to off. A pop-up will appear asking if you're sure. Tap turn off and you're done. Your iPhone will stop sharing your location with all apps and system services. If you don't want to completely turn it off but want to restrict certain apps, just scroll through the list, tap on an app, and select Never. That way, only the apps you want can use your location. That's it. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.